Alright, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy, S.I. Rico. We just got off work. If y'all know where I work at for all the new subs, your boy work at Denzo. But, let me cross the street. Try not to get killed. Headed to the whip. Your boy Wills just got in. Let's go home and see what we got though. Take this hot ass beanie off, this wave cap off, on the AC. I'm about to die in this bitch. AC all the way on, turned all the way up. But yeah, your boy got the wheels. Y'all finna see what they are in a little bit. Just got off work, feeling good. Hope y'all feeling good. And shining like new money. But yeah, sorry for that. I'll see y'all back at the house. Let's go. Almost to the house, boys. Almost to the house. Look at that view, though. Damn, that's sick. All right, we got kids out. Let me slow my ass down. Here though. What's up, bitch? Boys and the Wheels is here. Man, gorgeous, gorgeous. Killing. Ooh, stop it, Rico. Stop. Oh my goodness. So, what we went with is the Rota Grid V's, baby. 16 by 8. We will be putting some 215, some 16, 215, 45, 16s on these bad boys right here. I've been wanting these for a while. I love these. I love these so much. Dope. I've been wanting these for a while. They will be going on the hatch. Gonna kill, right? It's gonna kill, baby. It's gonna kill. Black and cream. Yeah. I'm gonna love it. Just a quick unboxing of the wheels they got here today. And just a little quick video I thought I'd do for y'all. And we will have some tires on these bad boys. if everything goes correctly, it's either we're gonna be tuning next week, or we're gonna have some tires on these this week coming up. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But this your boy SR Rico. Rate, comment, sub, share, and I love y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.